In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert tables and charts from Google Sheets into Google Slides. We'll start with the table. Open the slide where you want the information to appear. At the top, click on Insert, then click on Table. This creates a structured grid that will hold your data and keeps everything aligned neatly on the slide. It's a simple way to make sure your numbers and headers line up and remain easy to read during a presentation. Now switch over to your Google Sheet. Locate the table you want to bring into your slide. Select the entire range you need, including headers if you want them to appear in the slide. Then click on Copy. Copying directly from Sheets preserves basic formatting like bold headers and column widths fairly well, which helps your table look clean right away. Head back to your Google slide, click inside the table you inserted so your cursor is active within it, and paste. The data will fill the cells in order, maintaining your structure. If something doesn't fit perfectly, you can drag the table's edges to resize it or adjust column widths so longer labels are visible. Small tweaks like changing text size or aligning numbers to the right can improve readability without changing any steps you've taken. Next, let's bring in a chart from Google Sheets. On your slide, click on Insert, then click on Chart and choose from Sheets. This opens a panel where you can pick the spreadsheet that contains your chart. Click on Select to confirm the file, then choose the chart you want and click on Import. Your chart will appear on the slide, ready to position and resize just like any other object. Using from Sheets is especially helpful because it preserves the chart design from your spreadsheet and can keep a live connection to your data source. If the underlying data changes later, you may see an option to update the chart in Slides, saving you time and keeping your presentation accurate. You can also format the chart once it's in Slides, move it, scale it, and align it with your layout without affecting the original in Sheets. That's all there is to it. You've placed a table by inserting one in Slides, copying your data from Google Sheets, and pasting it into the table. And for visuals, you added a chart by going to Insert Chart from Sheets, selecting the right file, and importing. With these steps, your presentation stays clean, consistent, and connected to your data.